Hey everyone, this is Patidar from MLAIT team. So I'm back again with a new video on how to set up Tensorflow. If you directly came to this video, please go to the previous video and watch the introduction to low-level APIs. And if you're new to this channel, please press the bell icon, subscribe our channel. So let's start with how to set up Tensorflow. Like we can run Tensorflow on different platforms like Ubuntu, Windows, Mac OS, and different platforms. You can like run Tensorflow on your machine with some commands which you have to run your machine, like pip install Tensorflow. You can use pip install Tensorflow. You can use to install GPU. You can use pip install GPU with CUDA enabled. Okay. If you like want this more description, please comment in the comment section box. I will make the video on it. Okay. You can run a Tensorflow container also, like a Docker. Docker containers. What are Docker containers? It is a virtual environment and it is the easiest way to set up GPU support. Okay, so like Docker images, Docker images already configured to run TensorFlow, so you can use it directly. You have to run these commands. Okay. The next is our Google Colab. It's the best way to learn and run TensorFlow. Okay. So what is Google Colab? It's a project started by Google on which it's a Jupyter Notebook environment which run entirely on cloud. Okay, so you can run this Google Colab on your browser. No installation necessary. Pretty straightforward. You can run directly on your browser. Okay, just run the commands, will execute it. Same as Jupyter Notebook. Then here are some of the prerequisites to start with TensorFlow. Okay, you should know how to program in Python because we'll be working on Python in this tutorial series, and a little bit about arrays, and ideally something about machine learning because you are getting started with machine learning. So you should know about something about machine learning. Okay, you should know about the NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, what they do, the TensorFlow, and some of the like sklearn and scikit-learn, the different libraries for machine learning. Okay, then I will be letting you know the tensor values because this is the basic data, central unit of data in TensorFlow we'll be using. It's called tensor. So what is tensor? It is a set of primitive values shaped into an array of any number of dimensions. Okay, so what's tensor rank? Tensor rank is number of dimensions in which a tensor has. Okay, and tensor shape is tuple of integers specifying the array length along each dimension. Okay, so tensor rank is number of dimensions, tensor shape is the length along each dimension. Okay, so I'll show you these tensors. Okay, so this is 1D, 2D, 3D tensors. Okay, so you can see here dimensions. Okay, then these are tensor uses NumPy arrays to represent tensor values. Okay, if you like using simple number, you can rank 0 tensor, which is scalar. You can use square brackets or rank 1 tensor, a vector with shape 3. Okay, and then rank 2 tensors with matrix, rank 3 tensors. As the rank increases, you can tell it ND tensors. Okay, so like we'll be doing this, and if you want elaboration in these videos, please comment in the comment section box. Okay, and our next video will be on Tensorflow Core walkthrough. So if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe our video, and stay connected for the next video. Thank you guys, and stay connected.